Hello friends, and thank you so much for being here with me. We are going to create this look whereby I'm going to try Fara Homidi Bronzer in shade Ombra, the deepest that they have, and I'll be swatching it against Lancome and Armani at the end of the video. Then I have also Byredo eyeshadow palette, one that I have on my eyes now. Then I have Chanel cream to powder blush. So stay tuned to this. Like, subscribe, notification button, comment. I really appreciate you. Without further ado, let's get started. Thank you. Hello friends, and welcome to today's video where I'll be trying a new makeup. I have a Byredo eyeliner in shade Bhoora, and that's how it looks like, and it comes with a sharpener. Then I have a Chanel cream to powder blush, and I have Fara Homidi Bronzer. This is in shade Ombra, the deepest one that they have. And then I have Boot Metals eyeshadow from Byredo as well. We'll start with my eyes. I have my eyebrows done and I've primed my eyelids. So this is how it comes. The metal boots, and it's reflective, very nice packaging. Those are the shades. I'll swatch them so that we see how they look like. So if I can just swatch them here, I hope that's okay. That is this first shade. Let's swatch this one. I'll just swatch from this end to this end. And this is the glitter. So this is just pure glitter, and I don't use glitter, so I don't think I'll be using this one. And here are the swatches. So this is Rafa number 14, and I'll start with this green shade here. So it's showing up nicely. It's first time I'm trying Byredo small shadow. I have the big one in Escape, Minerals Escape, and I really like that one. So I'm just building that shade in my inner corner. Then with the same brush, I'll just flip it on the other side and take this deeper one here, the deeper green, and put that one in the center of my lid. And they're picking up so nicely, so if you're wondering about, I don't have any problem. They're creamy, no fallout. This can work well as one and done shadow as well. So, and they're blending into each other so nice. So I'm quite impressed. And these shadows are so expensive, so I wish they didn't have this glitter here. Just put that one in my outer lid. This is really easy eyeshadow to use, and it's so creamy and nice. So that's how the three middle shades looks like on my eyes. Flat brush. I'll take the lightest shade here and put that one in my inner corner. Then now I'll go in with the eyeliner. The brown, that's how it looks like. Then I just take a pencil brush and smudge it. So that is eyeshadow. I'm going to color my eyeliner. Then I'm going in with the Fenty mascara. Then I just leave eyes there and do my face. For primer, I'm using the Nessa Myrex. This is in Yummy Skin in Universal. I got this in a set. It's hot here. It's summer. Actually, today is 30 degrees. So it's really nice with this kind of primer where it helps the longevity of your makeup. Foundation, I'm using Tom Ford in shade 12. So shade 12 in Tom Ford is a little bit deeper for me during winter, but now I have been in the sun, it works. So I'm just going to spray my brush with MAC and I just put it on the palette. So that's how the shade looks on me now that it's summer. So please, just a kind reminder, if you love makeup tutorials, high-end, luxury, or just makeup in general, subscribe on my channel, give this video a thumbs up, watch other videos, and share my videos with others. I really appreciate it. I'm just trying to grow over here. Don't forget to like, comment. I really appreciate it. If there's any makeup that you'd like me to try, just let me know. If I can get hold of it, then I will be happy to try it for you. And I'm filming in natural light with the 4K camera. So what you see, that is it. The sun is really shining outside, so I'm sitting in front of the window filming this one. And I think it's a perfect day to try Fara Homidi Bronzer. Concealer, I'm going in with Westman Atelier in shade D1. For my under eye, I'm using Pat McGrath under eye powder in shade 3. All over the face I'm using Gala. This is in shade 4. So that is the face set. So this is Fara Homidi Bronzer in shade Ombra. Very heavy packaging, it's refillable. So let's see how it's picking up. This is how it's picking up. And it has some little kickback in the pan. Yeah, this has some kick up. Just so you see. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. See? So you need to be careful with that. It's not so bad. Yeah. No. And I'm just building it up. So I'm being heavy-handed with it. See? So that is with bronzer, that is without bronzer. No bronzer, bronzer. And as I said, right now I'm quite tan. I have been out a lot. We've been going to the beach. Once summer is over, this will be so that's how the face is looking, bronzed. I quite like this bronzer. It's really nice formulation. I have nothing negative to say. I really like how it looks on my skin, even with the tan. So I think during winter or autumn, I need to be very light-handed because I went in very heavy-handed just to show you how it looks like, and that's how it looks like. And I'll just swatch it. Oh wow, that's very smooth. I'll put it over here. So that is Chanel. I'll just go in with a smaller brush. And now let's see how it works. Wow. I think it blends really nice together with the Fara Homidi bronzer. I really like that shade on my skin tone. I don't even think I'm going to use highlight. I'm just going to leave it like that. Nah, maybe a little bit highlighter. I'm just taking a highlighter from Tiger palette. I want to bronze my nose using the and I'm going in very light-handed. Now let's finish with the eyes. I'm just taking the deepest shade here with the pencil brush, and I want to run that one on my lower lash line. And with a tiny brush, I'm taking the lightest shade here. I just want to put that one. Just like so. Then I'll just take mascara and put on a second coat. For the lips, this is a MAC liner in shade Sour. I'm just blending it out with my finger. I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in shade Walk of No Shame. Then I'm setting my makeup with Urban Decay All Nighter. So friends, this is our finished look. This is how we are looking. I'm going to swatch Fara Homidi with Armani and Lancome, because I already checked and these are the closest that I found. So this is Fara Homidi. That's how Fara Homidi looks on my finger. And this liner has set. I've tried to remove it. It's set. It's eyeliner from Byredo. So and I just want to build it up. So that is Fara Homidi in shade Ombra. Doesn't focus. It's the deepest one in this line. Then this is Lancome. This is in shade 7 Deep. And this is how they look like put together. See? So I'm going to swatch Lancome there. This is the closest comparison that I found in my collection. So that's how it looks. Then this is Armani Luminous. This is in shade 120. And that's how, not so close. And Armani is luminous. This one is more matte luminous. Just the difference. So that's how Armani looks. There is Armani. I need to build it up. So those are the closest comparisons that I found in my collection. I hope they're helpful, helping you make a decision. So that's what I have to compare the new bronzer to. Because I checked NARS in Laguna 8, NARS is deeper. Okay friends, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this look, you enjoyed the video, and that it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.